How to delete your Metamask account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you ways to permanently delete your Metamask account. So for that case, you just have to go and log into your Metamask account. So open up a browser, type in metamask.com and enter your credential, log into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, go ahead and press the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner. As you do that, you'll be able to find the settings option. Click on it. As soon as you click the settings option, you should be able to see this sort of interface. So here you just have to go and click on account. On the other field, you need to go ahead and press the arrow icon located next to the account, and if you're sure about deleting your account, click on remove, and then you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So if you're sure about it, press the remove button and confirm the deletion, and you'll have successfully deleted your Metamask account. So in this way, you can delete your Metamask account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.